Welcome back to WeatherBug here on a Wednesday. Todd Nelson with a look at that national coast-to-coast forecast. And some of our top stories include, of course, some colder air in the eastern part of the country. We'll talk about that. But how about the comet Pan-STARRS? This is some video, a time-lapse video out of Spain, the northern hemisphere, now being able to see that comet through probably the end of next week. So you have to wait through some clouds that may be in your area now, but just after sunset, look west. It'll take about a half hour to 45 minutes after sunset for that to reveal itself, and it'll be in the western sky. We're also getting ready for, of course, the first day of baseball, which is really not that far away. I think we're a few weeks away from the first day of baseball, at least the regular season. Temperatures have cooled down quite a bit on the backside of the storm system. Yesterday, anywhere from 5 to near 15 degrees below average, and we're still quite a bit cooler. But look at this warming taking place out west. That's because we have a ridge of high pressure out that way. The reason for the cooling out east is this big low pressure system with embedded impulses of energy riding on the western flank of that. One such system is now in the Ohio Valley with some scattered snow showers. Nothing expected to be heavy in terms of snowfall, kind of just wrapping up that snow, and the UP of Michigan Marquette picking up an additional 8 inches on top of our 14.4 on Monday. So some flooding concerns still in the rivers and creeks through the middle Mississippi Valley there. Down to the south, we have some red flag warnings and freeze warnings from earlier today. That's because it is breezy, cool, and dry, and that cold air begins to retreat up to the north and east through the rest of the week. Look at this big warm bubble off to the south and west, and that will help to keep things into the 70s and 80s above average. But the northern side of that, as we're going to have some heavy rain. Flood watches are still in place. An additional several inches of precipitation can't be ruled out. We're also watching our next storm system that could be affecting the high plains by early next week.